Okay, this is gonna be quite an episode here. It's pouring down rain. I'm back at my lake that I was at where I fished last week, and I'm bringing a little bit heavier duty gear, bigger worms. I am gonna bring one little frog with me just in case that is the only thing I can get a hit on. I don't know, we're gonna see. But this is crazy. Here we go. I got one right there, frog. Oh, golly. Now, did you see that one? Did you see that one? That was a bruiser. That was a bruiser right there. That was about a, I don't want to say, but he was probably 3 or 4 pounder right there. That was probably a 3 or 4 pounder right there. These fish in here are hard to catch. I don't know why, but they are. That was a nice little bass there. That was a nice little bass there.